Arlo, can you say ketchup?
Ketchup.
Can you say hop on pop?
Papa, papa.
Can you say motorcycle?
Papa.
Can you say bicycle?
Papa.
Good. Can you say helicopter?
Shoes.
You having a problem with your shoes? Arlo, can you say helicopter? Good. Can you say peach?
Fish.
Good. Can you say beach?
Meat.
Can you say watermelon?
Wine.
Can you say cool?
Cool.
Good. Can you say owie?
Abby.
Can you say camping?
Cupping.
Can you say trailer?
Pigeon.
Can you say truck?
Truck.
Good. Can you say grapes?
Greek.
Can you say milk?
Nut.
Can you say good?
Wood.
Can you say yes?
Tree.
Can you say thank you?
Dinner.
Can you say please?
Tea.